Remember to press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get the weekly updates on our channel.
Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is your host Visha, and in my today's video I am going to tell you about the tablet that is Primolut N tablet. This tablet is used to delay your periods, and in case if you have missed my other videos which are related to this same topic, then you can click on the link above. So let's get started with today's video. So in this video I am going to discuss few things, that what is Primolut N tablet, what are the benefits if you take this tablet, what is the usage or dosage of this tablet, and what is the price, and then is there any side effects of taking this tablet or not. So let's start with the first point, that what is Primolut N tablet. So in Primolut N tablet, N stands for the Norethisterone, and as I had discussed in my previous videos that Norethisterone is a period delay tablet. So similarly Primolut N is also a period delay tablet, and one of the major content of Primolut N is Norethisterone. So it will help all the girls out there in delaying their periods. So the next point is that how you have to take this tablet. So the prescribed dosage of this tablet is that you have to take it 3 times a day, and you have to keep in mind that every tablet that you will take in morning, afternoon and then in evening is of 5 mg each. That means that you have to take a total amount of 15 mg only in a day. Do not overdose your tablets. And my personal suggestion, or the suggestion which I got from my doctor, is that the right number of days to take this tablet is only 7 to 8 days. Do not exceed the use of this tablet more than 7 to 8 days, because when you will start taking this tablet, then automatically it will delay your periods for the time in which you are taking this tablet, and when you will stop using this tablet, then also you will see a delay of almost 1 week to 10 days in your periods, which means that your next period will start almost after 10 days when you will stop taking this tablet. So the next point is that what are the benefits of this tablet. So this tablet not only helps in delaying your period, but this tablet also helps in maintaining a good period health. Most of the doctors suggest this tablet to women or to the girls out there when they are not getting their regular periods. So this tablet helpful when you are not getting your regular period, so it helps to regulate them also. You will get a balanced flow every month, you will get your periods on same date every month. So other than delaying period, this tablet has these benefits also. And one important thing that you have to keep in mind while taking this tablet, that you have to take this tablet 2 days before the start date of your period to see the effective results. In some cases, most of the girls, they take it 1 day before their period. It also works for them, but it is not the case with everyone. So the right time to take this tablet is only 2 days before the start date of your periods. And one more important thing which I would like to discuss, that the teenage girls are not advised to take this tablet. In case of any kind of emergencies, you should consult your doctor if you are a teenager. And also one more important thing, that if you had faced any period related problems in your past, then you should consult your doctor before taking this tablet, because it is going to affect your periods again. So it is better consult your doctor. Now coming to the next point, that what is the price of this tablet. So this tablet is quite affordable. You can buy it almost 60 to 70 rupees. I'm talking about the Indian currency, and the link from where you can buy it, that I have provided in the description box below. You can get it from there also. So now coming to the next point, that is there any side effects or not. So let me tell you that when I was taking this tablet, I did not face any side effects, but in some cases you may face some side effects like vomiting, headache, dizziness, or some other serious side effect could also be there. That is why doctor's recommendation is always important. And here I would like to give one important note to every woman or every girl out there, that this tablet is not going to act as a contraceptive pill. In case you want to know about the contraceptive pills, then you can click on the link above. So I hope that you have liked this video, and if you want to watch my other videos, then you can click on this screen, and please click on the subscribe button to like us and to get to know more videos from us. Thank you.